Ever wonder why the sky is blue? It's not what you think. The answer is coming up at question 2. Let's go test your knowledge on nature's secrets. Science Power Quiz. What is the primary cause of day and night on our planet? The answer is C, Earth's rotation. What scientific process actually makes the sky appear blue? The answer is A, light scattering. Which gas in our atmosphere is essential for keeping humans alive? The answer is B, oxygen. Where do plants get the primary energy they need to grow? The answer is C, sunlight. What is the actual cause of the sound we call thunder? The answer is A, lightning. What is the fastest way to melt solid ice? The answer is B, heat. What layer of the atmosphere protects Earth from harmful solar radiation? The answer is C, ozone layer. How many did you get right? Smash that like button and tell us your score.